Hello, my dear friend. I am Vijay Kumar Pal. I am an author, freelance author, and my some books I will introduce some books which is written by me. This is the Paranoia of Cults in Indian subcontinent, published on Saswat publication, Bilaspur, and it book is available on the Flipkart. This part of the reflection of the cruelty, either humanity, both change as cult to cult doctrine based and how blood bath of humans and the dictatorship of many cults be. But one is the most cruel cult against humanity because since the time of inception, divided Islam divided the whole world in two parts, Kafirs and Muslims. So my appeal to all viewers and readers, once read this book and know the real facts of the religion and differentiate cults time to time and basic concept of each sects. So this book is reveal the atrocity of the Islam against the non-Muslims. This book available on Amazon, Flipkart, both. This is my the second book, Panorama of Indian Democracy in Indian Context. This book revealed the fact that how the majority Hindu were being discriminated by the Congress. Even the BJP government is not supporting the Hindus because Hindus are not cruel. Hindus are very not very hardcore. So herein in this book, these main points are reflected point to point. They totally reflect the salient feature of the constitution and the democracy and how this democracy is not full democracy. But it is a paranoia that we are living in democratic India. This is not true. This is only half democratic country to the Hindus, and Hindus are the most oppressed class of India. This is very amazing that Hindus are asking their right in India, where 112 crores Hindus are living under this faulty system of India. Yes, this is the faulty system of India. So we'll discuss in brief point as well encouragement of temples wealth by state governments. So this is the panorama of my book. You can purchase Panorama of Indian Democracy. Panorama means A is absent. This is the mistake. Democracy in Indian Continent by Vijay Kumar Pal. My second book, third book, Lament of Sinjar, Tears of Yazidi Woman, published on Amazon and Flipkart. This is the reality of the Yazidi women, which are the non-Muslims, were being raped by Abu Bakr Baghdadi after reading the Quranic verses, which is very barbaric verses. This is a fictitious story based on the cruelty on women, men, children of the Yazidi by ISIS as a terrorist groups. Head was Abu al-Bakr al-Baghdadi. All characters raised from the real characters, but names can be changed except Abu Bakr al-Baghdadi and based only actual persecution which were happened during the Abu Bakr al-Baghdadi Gunism. If any resemblance in this persists, then this is only coincide and no aim to purpose to harass anybody mentally or physically. This is the only for the reflection of the terrorism and its activities. Yazidis, Christian and non-Sunni Muslims were also tortured as they were not the Muslim according to Islam. And Abu Bakr al-Baghdadi was the same character who molested non-Muslim women in his regime as he declared himself a caliphate of Islam. So this book is more fictitious on 99 part is fictitious was based of the true stories. So you can watch. This is my book Lament of Sinjar by Vijay Kumar Pal. This is my new book Blender of Blasphemy by Vijay Kumar Pal. This book is dedicated to the humanity and promotes the human values with disclosing the fallacy of an cult or path which is against peace and harmony. Asabi Masih is the persecuted Christian woman in Pakistan in the name of blasphemy. In Pakistan, blasphemy is the toolkit of Maulanas and the clerics to persecute the minorities, women of the Christians, Sikhs, Hindus, etc. In this book, this has been disclosed and who are the kind people of Pakistan, even Muslims, which are apostates, are regularly fighting against this atrocity in the name of cult. It is against non-Muslim throughout the globe. So, I am Vijay Kumar Pal and I am the author of this book. You can purchase this book on the e-digital platform, that is Amazon, Flipkart, or direct hardcore copy you can arrange from the Amazon or Flipkart etc. So this is the my 4 books and another 6 books. When you disclose the Google, you will find my all the books. That is the 9 books, 10th book, 11th, 10 books and the 11th book in Hindi, but my 12th book also in English. That is the Cauldron. So you see the Hamas is not releasing the hostage or the Jewish hostage due to the blackmailing. This blackmailing is dedicated the teaching of the Islam or the teaching of so-called prophet. He was a certain blackmailer as these Hamas terrorist organization because Muhammad was a blackmailer. He blackmailed so many women, so many non-Muslims, Jews. If you will not convert or adopt the Islam, this is right to Muslim to kill the non-Muslims. This is the total blackmailing. Islam is the largest groups of goons of the blackmailers which are against the humanities, social values, ethics and the civic sense. Even these followers which are following the Islamic ideology or the Quran and are doing the action accordingly, they are simply the terrorists. They are the barbaric in nature. They are the certified rapists, as the so-called Prophet Muhammad and his companions committed such heinous crime with Safiya bint Huyya, Zuhairia and so many women. When these women belong to the Jews or the pagans were molested forcibly after kidnapping them by so-called Prophet Muhammad and his companions. Because in Islam, there is a law, there is certified, there is halal that you can kidnap or adopt any non-Muslim woman, whether they in war or they is not in war. They are not in war. One instant when the Banu Qurayza Jewish tribe women were not in the war, because Muhammad attacked on the Banu Qurayza tribe, that was the Jewish tribe, in the valley of the Khyber, only for looting the women, only for robbery, the wealth of the Banu Qurayza tribes. This is the offensive attack of so-called Prophet Muhammad Sahib, as usually. The Islamic cleric says that they broke the agreement with the Muhammad. This is not true, because Muhammad's agreement was only for the fulfill the lust of the sex or fulfill the lust of the wealth or lust of the crops or lust of the horses and the livestock. This is the prime occupation of this so-called prophet and his companions at that time. So Islam is a group of the looters or the robbers. If any Muslim is following the Islam and doing the accordingly as so-called Prophet Muhammad did or committed the heinous crime, certainly he is a terrorist. And my book also disclosed the reality of the Quran, that the Quran is a book of the terrorism, the book of the criminology. You see, when the Quran is abusing us, that this is our duty to debunk the Quran or rebuke the Quranic vices or rebuke the Allah so-called prophet also, because so-called Muhammad is also a peace disturber of this world. We should, you must, we have much the courage to say the right things. You see, some idiot Khalistani are also was are gathering with these Islamic terrorists. They are so shameless Khalistanis, they do not know how the son of Guru Gobind Singh were brutally murdered by the Islamic goons or the terrorists. But these Sikhs are very few. These Khalistani are very few. And if they are Khalistani, they are stupid. They never respect their Guruji. They never respect the Hindus who donated or who gave all the Panch Pyare and all the Gurujis. So these foolish people also dwindling the name or the brightness of the Gurujis and the Sikhism. These are known as the Khalistani. There is no difference between the Islamic ideology and the Khalistani ideology, because both are the hardcore criminals. This is our duty to eliminate the such type of the criminals in which country they are living, whether they are living in India or they are living in the abroad. Not only these Khalistani terrorists, but Islamic terrorist group also. We should unite. We should united against these monsters, the Khalistani monsters and the Islamic monsters. There is no need to say that we will win, because we are on the path of the peace and the harmony. But these Khalistanis, Islamic terrorists, are on the path of Goonism, part of barbaric nature, and these are stupid peoples. Certainly will be eliminated by our Indian forces, by the United Nations Organization forces, and other countries' forces. Thank you very much. See you.